Detective Booksy invites you to join the Summer Research Challenge, brought to you by Tina Brigham at Ask a School Librarian. What will you research this summer? One topic idea is nature. Nature is things you would find outdoors, such as plants, animals, or features of the earth. Here are some examples of research questions about nature. Why do seasons change? What makes a rainbow? What plants grow in water? What is a tropical rainforest? What are the three main types of rocks? Who was John James Audubon? How big is an ocean? What is an ecosystem? Why is oxygen important in nature? How does a caterpillar become a butterfly? Why are there seashells on the seashore? What is a fungus? When is the summer solstice? Why do mosquitoes buzz? Why do people go camping? These are the steps of the research process. First, focus on a topic. Next, ask questions. After that, choose sources, and then take notes. If you're interested in joining the Summer Research Challenge, you can purchase a kit with everything that you need to get started on your research project right away. Check out the link in the description box below for the challenge kit and many other resources that are available on my website. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe before you go.